Jonathan from Rain Brothers here, rainbrothers.com. Today I wanted to talk about installing our 2-inch vent cap on your plastic cistern, or you can put it on a concrete cistern, but generally plastic cistern is the best application. Now you're going to want to vent, especially if your overflow on the tank can't daylight directly to fresh air. But generally it's good practice to always put a vent on the cistern. To do that, all we did was we drilled a 3-inch hole in the top of our cistern here, put a 2-inch tank penetration gasket. Then we used 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC. Before we put it in the gasket, we just filed down the edge a little bit, put a little dish soap on it to lubricate it, push it into that gasket, and you only want it in the tank just a couple of inches. You don't want it to go below the water line, or else the air can't vent out. So it's only in the tank a couple inches. Then we want to make sure that this pipe is equal to or higher than the top of our manhole extension here, so that it's going above grade. And then we're using a 2-inch PVC to female adapter that's going to glue onto this, or you can dry fit it. You don't have to glue it. It's going to push onto that, and then the 2-inch male pipe thread is going to thread right into the top of that female adapter. And at that point, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to put Teflon tape or anything on it, because it's just releasing air. It's not a pressurized water fitting. But at that point, you're good to go. Thank you for watching.